Hey friends, it's Ms Becca here in Salinas, California, and I'm so excited to do a new thing with you today. We are going to conduct a science experiment. We're going to be little scientists, and we are going to make a volcano erupt. Oh my goodness! I'm so excited. Have you ever done this before? Because I've never done it before, and man, I'm really glad that you're here with me to do it. It is so much fun to be scientists every day and to go outside and explore in your environment. So let's take a look at what a volcano is. This is a picture of the inside of a volcano. Down here, we have Earth. That is the planet that you and I live on, and all our friends and family. So, the first layer is called the crust. Earth has 4 layers. The first layer is the crust, and that is like our skin on our body. It's the outside layer. Under that is the mantle. The mantle sometimes gets so hot that it warms up and makes something called magma. The magma gets really thick and hot and bubbly, and sometimes it can't bubble very well, and it starts to build pressure, and it just goes, and it erupts out of the top, and out comes hot lava, and out comes some craters like rocks, and out comes a big ash cloud. Ash is like the dust from smoke. Ooh, you don't want to breathe ash in. It's really yucky and it'll make you cough really bad. So this is what a volcano is. Well, that all happens from heat. Today, we're gonna do something a little different to make our volcano erupt. We are gonna mix a couple of ingredients together to see how the chemicals react. They work together like this and they might go, let's give it a try. Here are our directions. As you can see, we have our ingredients and we have our instructions on how to do it, the procedure. So, we're gonna take a look at our ingredients. We need 1 empty 25-ounce bottle. There it is, guys, right there. It's actually really easy to make this. I just put paper around it too. Gave it a little paint, because I really love some color. And I even have some friends here. Hello. The next thing we need is gonna be liquid soap. Then we're gonna need food coloring, vinegar, warm water, and baking soda. Ooh. Okay, so let's read our directions because Ms Becca has all those ingredients right over here. Do you have all those ingredients? If you don't, we can do this together, and maybe another day you can do it with your mom or grown-up. But if you want to do it together at the same time right now, go get those ingredients out. And we're also going to need our measuring cup, our teaspoons and tablespoons. I'm going to use a little funnel. This is like a little funnel to help me put the baking soda in there. And that's all. I got some gloves and some goggles. Let's do this. We're gonna get started. Let's build a mound of dirt or create a volcano with our bottle. Well, there it is right there. Let's move this down a little bit so you can really see. Okay, first thing we're supposed to do is we need to put in our food coloring. Today, I'm gonna do 1 drop of red. Oh, just kidding, 2 drops. And I'm gonna do 2 drops of blue. I'm gonna see what color red and blue make together. Then we need to add in our dish soap. We're gonna need a big tablespoon for this one. Don't get it confused with this little teaspoon. A tablespoon has the letter B in it, so that really helps me find it. Okay, let's get, I think we'll be okay without our filter. Oh my goodness, look at all that soap. You know soap is so great to help us wash our hands and keep clean. It also makes a lot of bubbles, doesn't it? Okay, so we got our food coloring, our soap. Next is, uh-oh, the baking soda. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Ms Becca is actually gonna do 6 teaspoons. 6 teaspoons, because 3 teaspoons equals 1 tablespoon. And my tablespoon got it messy with that dish soap. Okay, next thing we gotta do is put in our hot water. Okay, we need 3/4 cup. We get our measuring cup out. We find the 3 and the dash and the 4. And here it comes. Oh man, you guys. So we got this ready. I'm getting a little nervous. What about you? Okay, we gotta get this ready too. Oh man, this is our white vinegar. And we have 1 whole cup. So here we go. I don't know. Let's see. Let's do the funnel with the hot water. Let's see what happens. And now, wow! Oh my goodness, we got a big volcano there. Wow, did you see that? That was wild. Look at, our dinosaurs are taking a bath. That's pretty silly. Let's see what happens if we add in just a little bit more vinegar. Let's see if it'll explode again. Oh. Whoa! There he goes. That was so cool. Isn't that so neat? So mixing all those ingredients together made this volcano erupt. That is so awesome. I hope you had so much fun today, as much fun as I did. I always love being an explorer with you. Thanks so much for doing adventures with me and always being a great learner. It's awesome to be a forever learner.